نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم. Question number 1. Did the Prophet ﷺ give adhan? The answer is yes. The Prophet ﷺ has given the adhan as mentioned in Tirmidhi in the chapter of Salah, hadith number 411. Amr bin Uthman bin Ya'la bin Murrah narrated from his father, from his grandfather, that they were with the Prophet ﷺ on a journey. They wound up in a narrow area when Salah became due. Then it became raining from the sky above them, and it was wet beneath them. So Allah's Messenger ﷺ called the adhan while he was on his mount, and then the iqamah going forward on his mount. He led them in Salah by making gestures, making his prostrations lower than his bowing.